think it rides really good. I haven't ridden it that much yet. I want to put skate park wheels on it, some hard ones, and just use this one for the skate park and use the other one for the street, I think. Because the other one has the skid plates to protect it from this rough pavement. And I don't want to put skid plates on this one. And I don't want to scratch it up too much. I already got some right there. Went with a short wheelbase this time. I thought I liked long wheelbases, but I made a skateboard deck that I didn't really document with a longer wheelbase, and I don't know, the whole thing just felt too big, but it was also bigger all the way around, length and width, and it had pine wood in it, and it was only 20 layers, so it was really soft feeling. But this one feels really solid. Actually, it feels extra thick. It looks extra thick, doesn't it? I'm very rusty feeling. Can hardly ride the skateboard. I've been building too much and editing videos too much. Playing video games, I haven't been skating much. So I meant it to be a symmetrical deck. I'm not sure how symmetrical it is. It's pretty close at least. I can't feel the difference. It's hard to measure to really make sure it's symmetrical. I kind of tried to measure it, and I think one end is longer than the other. But at least I'm pretty sure they both have the same angled nose and tail this way. This whole thing mellowed out after taking it out of the mold after 3 days. I guess I need to leave it in the mold longer if I want it to keep a steep concave. But I like it mellow. It's getting some pretty massive wheel bite. But after I switch to my skate park wheels, that should be reduced because they're smaller and not as grippy. Anyway, I just wanted to show it, setting it up and trying it. Okay, see you later.